Hey, welcome to another video. In this video it's time for snow foam, and I think snow foam is absolutely fantastic if you're stressed after work, if you have a headache, if you want mindfulness, then snow foam on your car is the best thing you can do. And supposedly with this device in the car detailing community, it's one of the most popular, if not the leading snow foam cannon for high pressure washers. I'm going to test it out. I'm very curious to see what it will do on my Tesla. I hope you're having a great day, and let's try out this device together. Here we go. Los kids. So this video is sponsored by MJJC. They sent me this V3 snow foam cannon. It supposedly has a few upgrades compared to the previous device. The first thing you notice here is how well the box is packaged. I really like the design. It's very sturdy. It also had a nice outside box around it. Yeah, so for the packaging already, that makes a very good impression. So inside you have the device that you mount on top of your high pressure washer. This you can adjust so that you have a different type of snow foam spray, so either wide or more narrow. Specifically for all the pressure washers, they have adapters. So I have a pressure washer from Parkside, from Lidl. And the great thing about that is the only thing I need to do to install this is basically twist this adapter, click it in the MJJC snow foam cannon, and that's it. And then the only other thing I need to do is here underneath, as you can see, here's the opening. Put this small tube in there, so the silver bullet goes underneath. And then just, very easy, just put this thing so. And that's it basically, and there's no more montaging or anything to do, and I find it very easy, because the device itself looks extremely well built. It's very sturdy. Here you can allow the maximum amount of foam to come through. Put it on there, twist it, and you're done. And that's incredibly easy. About this bottle, it's made of a certain type of very durable plastic, and that means that if you accidentally drop this bottle on the ground, it won't shatter. Another thing that's really cool about it is that it's semi-transparent, so you can see the water you put in, but also the color of the snow foam or the shampoo. And as you can see here, it has nice indicators that go all the way up to 1.2 liter. So it's very easy to make the proper dosage there. You won't need any separate cups. Well, also another thing I really like about this bottle is that it has this integrated grip. So you can hold it very easily if you take it in and out or take it somewhere. And it's not very likely when it's wet to fall out of your hand because of the design like that. Yeah, and some other interesting things I found in the package. What I really liked is that here I have a set of different Orifices. I don't know how you pronounce that in English. I'm sorry if I say it completely wrong. Write me in the comments how I should pronounce it. But basically what it does is, depending on the strength, the PSI, the pressure of your pressure washer, if you have stronger or weaker ones, you can change this. But with the default one that's on there, I think it's a 1.25. It's basically good for all types of pressure washer. But if you want to play around with that, or you have a portable, weaker pressure washer, you can swap these out. And also what I really liked is that it comes with, as you can see here, it comes with certain sponges and certain rings. If you have a high pressure washer or snow foam, these are things that in a couple of years will start wearing. Yeah, because of all the water and shampoo that goes past them. And they've included a new set, so you can just swap them out, and yeah, you don't need to order new ones. So that I think is really good. And then they had a really nice user guide. This is very short, but basically tells you how to put things together, how to operate the device, its different functions, and also some more information about how you should take care of it and shampoos to use. I have a little bit of MJJ snow foam left, so I'm going to try that too. Probably it'll get the best result, because it's all because that snow foam is really nice. So let's spray it on the car together and see what it looks like. So, and here's my Parkside pressure washer by Lidl. Not a bad device, quite big, quite strong, and it was quite cheap. All you need to do is you take the MJJC Pro V3 snow foam cannon, and then you align it with the Parkside adapter, and then you just twist it right in, and then you're done. Sehr schön, very easy. Now let's fill this up. So the recommendation is warmish water. So I have 900 milliliter here. And now I'm going to use this beautiful MJJC snow foam also, which, as you've seen in my previous videos, is very nice. And we're going to put 100 milliliter in there. It smells a bit like palm, like coconut. Very pleasant. And as you can see, it has a nice color. So that's it, 100 milliliter. Now let's start up the device. So here we go, Lost Gates. MJJC snow foam, take one. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Sehr schön. And look how beautiful the MJJC Snow Foam V3.0 is foaming up this car. Very beautiful. Can go under the wheels, under the car. Just with the press of the button, the whole car is foamed. Wow, 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 wow. Sehr schön. And you can see how good this foam is. It's really like shaving cream. Very nice and thick. And it stays on the car. And it removes all the stuck dirt. And then when you do a contact wash, you have absolutely not to worry about any scratches. Also on the wheels, look how beautiful white this Tesla looks. It's perfect mindfulness therapy. I highly recommend you give this a try, especially in the winter with all the road salt. Sehr schön. And that concludes my review of the MJJC V3 Snow Foam Cannon. I'm very happy with the results. I'm going to continue with the hand wash, and I can highly recommend this. I put a link in the description if you're also interested in the MJJC V3.0 Snow Foam Cannon. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.